In the heart of Eindhoven, football has always been more than a game. From modest beginnings to a ground shaped by generations. Here, under open skies and wooden stands, a club, a city, and its people grew together. Through decades of change, one thing never faded: the spirit of PSV. And now, a new chapter begins. A stadium reimagined for a new generation. Built on history, driven by ambition. Where light, sound, and passion come together to create something extraordinary. This is more than a stadium. This is home. This is PSV Eindhoven.